My name is Thibaut Colon, the CEO of Colona. Welcome to the company. Colona is a family business which was set up in 1963. We are active in the food sector since 4 generations now. So we are a manufacturer of sauce, called emulsified sauce specifically. So we produce mayonnaise, all kinds of special sauces, for example, andalouse, Algerian, pita kebab sauce, and also ketchup and barbecue sauce. We produce this sauce in various packaging, both for food service and also for retail. So Colona in a few numbers, it's 280 people who work here. We produce 40,000 tons of sauces every year. We have a range of 1,600 products that we sell into 40 different countries around the world. So Colona has been growing pretty steadily over the last 20 years, but recently we reached a peak in terms of complexity. We have many different products and a lot of customers, so it was very difficult to handle internally with the tools that we have. We were using 6 different softwares in the factory. Of course, Excel, we're using logistics, Winbooks, Trello, we're using traceability program internal, and many other tools. So the idea was to put all the information into just one program, because we were wasting a lot of time by double or triple encoding all the information. We chose Odoo because it was only one software that could replace everything. What seduced us with Odoo is this very user-friendly interface and the easy access to the information for everyone. We also really enjoy the fact that the program is scalable. We needed something that was capable to follow our productivity, because we have 1,600 transfers every day, and we produce approximately 4,000 manufacturing orders every week. So let's imagine one of our regular customers contacts us to order 1 pallet of mayonnaise. After confirmation, he has an easy access to his purchase details through the portal. On our side, once the order is confirmed, the manufacturing order is generated. We assign it to a work center, we plan it, and then we buy the required materials in the purchase app with the proper quantities. Then we receive the materials and we use the Odoo barcode app that is installed on the Zebra scanner. Then the label is printed with barcode for internal traceability, and the printer is mounted directly on the forklift for easier access. Then, when the ingredients are moved from the stock to the pre-production zone, we encode the change of location thanks to the scanners. For the production of the sauce and its packing, we use 2 manufacturing orders with multiple work orders. During this pre-production phase, the ingredients are weighted. The scales are directly connected to Odoo through IoT devices. Once it is done, we move the ingredients to the production zone. There, the worker can scan the manufacturing order number, and that way can directly access to the linked work order and finish the production of the sauce. With the second manufacturing order, we create a new lot number, we fill the buckets with the sauce, and we put it on a new pallet. A new label is printed to identify the pallet, and the manufacturing order is validated. Then, the pallet is moved, packed, and stored in the warehouse, waiting for delivery. When we deliver the goods, we print SSCC labels that we put on the pallets. We also generate a CMR document and a delivery note that we can send through EDI to the customer. Then we create the invoice in just one click, and once the client has received the mayonnaise, it's done. The good thing with Odoo is also that we have access to a very complete reporting tool. With Odoo spreadsheets, we have information about our consumption, our sales, our production. It's very easy to analyze everything. So Odoo had a big impact internally. Thanks to Odoo, now we have a very easy access to just one information, which is the same everywhere. It also helped us to think about our flows, simplify those flows to adapt it to the program. So for implementing Odoo, the biggest challenge was to adapt our different flows into Odoo routes. So we had to work on these because Colona is a very old and complex business with different flows. So we use manufacturing, picking, delivery, of course, subcontracting, also drop shipping, and we manage 6 different warehouses.
The complexity of the project is also due to the IoT integration. Indeed, in order to collect information in real time, we had to synchronize Odoo with scales through IoT boxes, but we also use printers to print labels and reports directly in the warehouse. Colona actually uses more than 200 devices, so printers, scales, tablets, and so on.
For implementing Odoo, we chose with our partner Nalios to do a Big Bang project.
A Big Bang approach is something you use when you want to put a lot of applications the same date into production. So with Colona, we decided to put 15 applications the same date in production.
Yeah, it was not so easy for the team, but we made it because we needed it. The biggest point was to train 200 people who had to change their habits from one week to another.